I gave my statement a while ago, but I realized ko slay og face dito, guys. So I'm gonna say it again. I know my sister and my dad filed a petition before the Supreme Court. It's actually all over the news already. Basically, the bulk of the petition is to stop the impeachment proceedings against Sara Duterte due to the defective impeachment complaint. Honestly, guys, like lahi jud may political opinion. Everyone knows that I'm not a Duterte supporter. And back in the 2022 elections, I was actively campaigning for Leni Robredo. Point of the matter is, we don't share the same political opinion. And even though we're a family, even though we're all lawyers, even though we share the same family name, and we have the same law firm, it does not necessarily mean that what they stand for is what I also stand for. But one thing's for sure, guys, dili magubang among foundation as a family just because we have a different political stance. In fact, as lawyers, my dad really raised us to have our own political view. Like, never jud sila nag-impose sa amo what to believe in. In fact, my parents and I don't have the same religion. As lawyers who've studied the Constitution and our Bill of Rights, we understand our freedom of expression. We believe that we can coexist despite the difference of our political opinion. And guys, as in, I don't think I'll ever be the type to file a petition before the Supreme Court. Kay pang rant, tagid ko dito sa TikTok. Guys, I think that's just the life for me, you know?